In this video, I will show you the plant unboxing, repotting, and updates after 5 months of growing period. I did this unboxing last March 17th, 2024, and they are all starter plants that need to grow and mature before we can actually see the real beauty of these plants. I got this planter from Amazon with a hole. Then I just put silicone to seal the hole and use it as a self-watering pot. Most of my plants are growing in clay pebbles. I just wash it thoroughly before using it on any of my plants. In terms of watering, I always use water with added nutrients for all of my plants. For more information about the products that I used in this video, just look in the description below or comment your question. This is the plant looks like now after 5 months. Here is the baby plant. It has grown up already. This is the plant looks like now after 5 months. This is the plant now after 5 months. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.